There's one last O-ring that sits on a ledge inside the cavity where the seal was. It's easy to remove by using your pick to pull it free. Before you begin reassembly, wipe the shafts and seal cavity down thoroughly with a clean rag. Most premature seal failure is due to improper installation, caused by impurities that damage the new O-rings or do not allow them to seal properly. Open your seal O-ring packet that comes with your new mechanical seals. The large O-ring is placed inside the cavity where the cartridge seal will be set. There's a rim inside where the seal rests. Make sure this O-ring is properly seated before installing the seal.